Okay guys, this is a continuation of my YouTube videos that I started on this PC build. I apologize to those of you that wanted video of the actual hardware installation, but once I started installing the components, it went relatively fast. So this is basically all the components installed, except for I don't have a sound card in there, and I don't have my other 1 gig hard drive in there yet because I don't actually have an operating system on this computer yet. It's supposed to be in the mail tomorrow, but I can kind of go through the BIOS setup and just kind of go an overview of what I've done so far. I guess we can go around. I have all the panels off right now. So you can see all the panels are off, and those are the 3 panels laying over there. And actually I had to take the power supply out of my old computer here to use in this one temporarily until I get a new one for this one. And what I like about the new PC is you can see in the old PC the power supply went at the top, and in the new PC it's down here on the bottom, which helps for sound. It's definitely not as loud with the power supply at the bottom, but I like this case a lot better than the old one. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and power up the computer and just kind of show you a little bit of the BIOS and what I've set so far. Okay, this screen is basically the Asus Express Gate, and it is kind of a mini operating system that's built into the motherboard. Just for quick access, I can access the web, some small games, photos, Skype, basic programs that are, easy to access. It's kind of nice because it boots instantly. You don't have to actually wait for an operating system to load, which is also kind of nice. But I'm going to go ahead and power that back off and show you the BIOS real quick. Okay, here we are into the BIOS, and basically I haven't done a whole lot since I actually don't have the operating system, but I did make a few changes. Right away I went and set the actual memory to the extreme memory profile, which is a high performance. It was set at a slower speed, and I set it to the settings of the Corsair Extreme memory setting, which will eventually, ultimately make the PC faster. But and as far as, I haven't overclocked any of the PC, or I'm not going to do any of that until I get a proper burn-in of all the parts and get the operating system on, obviously. And then I set my boot order to boot to the CD-ROM. So as soon as I get the CD for the operating system, it'll boot directly to that. There is a lot of settings in the. I really like this motherboard. It is. I can't tell you how many settings this thing has, because it's just crazy. But this is gonna be incredible once I get it done. But as far as that goes, I guess that's as far as I am right now until tomorrow, hopefully, when I get Windows 7 Ultimate. And then once I get that booted up, I will do one more video. See you guys later.